shell on the bottom, and they can hide in their shell whenever they're scared, and that protects them from a lot of things. Like for snapping turtle safety, don't wiggle your fingers in their face. They don't move very fast, and they're not going to chase after you. They're just trying to impress you and think that, oh, I don't want to mess with that turtle, I'm going to go over here. And most of the time it works. The neat thing is that once this snapping turtle gets to the water, in its wetland or in its marsh, well, he's got these big webbed feet, and he feels at home in the water. That's the place where he feels safe, because those raccoons and those foxes, they're not there. And so if he feels scared in the water, he can just swim away.
So we don't want to take wild animals home and put them in a cage. That's not fair. But if you're used to being in captivity, if that's all you know, it's perfectly okay. Corn snakes are all born in captivity. They're really soft and gentle and tame, and they don't get very big. Grown boa right now. Right here in my puppy. That's a full-grown Kenyan sand boa. A wonderful little pet. I'm going to get Megan to hang on to this.
Boas are a very, very diverse group of animals. And so